What is Jesus Christ doing today? A fascinating prophecy in the Old Testament begins to answer this question. Isaiah wrote, "For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder. Of the increase of his government and peace there shall be no end." The first half of this prophecy has been fulfilled. Jesus was born as a child roughly 2,000 years ago at his first coming. The second part of this prophecy remains unfulfilled. The government shall be upon his shoulder. There has never been a government that has brought true peace. Not yet. So what is Jesus doing now, in between the time he ascended to heaven and before he comes again to rule a government? Today, Jesus Christ is preparing future leaders to help him rule a super government. One that will bring unending peace to the entire earth and offer salvation to all mankind. Consider Matthew 5:5, which says Christians will inherit the earth, and Revelation 5:10, which says they will reign on the earth. This includes anyone who listens to and obeys what Jesus says during their lives now. Just think, you can be a part of that government, a world-ruling kingdom that will solve all of today's problems. To learn more about who Jesus Christ is and what he is doing, read our free book, The True Jesus Christ, Unknown to Christianity.